Oh, hello, what's up? Welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. And today is going to be a tutorial. Rather, I would teach you how to do a half cut crease. So, come on, without any further ado, let's begin. Now, as you can see, my base is done, and all I need to do are the eyes. So, come on, let's do it. So, first, we need to cover the eyelids, and for that, we're using Mars Cover Ranges Concealer Palette. Now, taking a lighter shade with a flat shader brush and concealing the whole eyelid. And after that, with a sponge, I'm dabbing it down. Now, setting a concealer is an essential part over here, so I'm gonna use a compact powder. You can use loose powder, translucent powder, anything. My one is finished, so I'm using a compact powder for that from Maybelline's Fit Me. For the blending of the eyeshadow, you need a very small fluffy brush, as you can see right now that I have on my hand. And now I'm using Nicka's Poison Apple palette. I'm using this very vibrant pink shade, as you can see. I'm going to take it onto the brush, dust it a little bit and dab it all throughout the crease line, and would blend it eventually. First I'm going to dab it and set it, and then I'm going to drag it and blend it accordingly. Now comes the blending part. We're going to take a lighter shade. I've taken shades of oranges and I've blended the part upwards. As you can see, the transition coming in very beautifully and smoothly. No harsh lines, nothing. I've used Mars's Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette over here. And it's the crucial time to cut the crease, like half cut crease. So as you can see, I'm displaying over here how you can get your crease, your natural crease, and you can cut it accordingly. For hooded eye people, they have to go a little bit above their crease line to cut it down. And now as you can see that I'm gently mapping down the cut crease line with the flat shader brush with the help of a concealer, and I'm filling that particular space, and yeah, that's how it is done. This is how you should do it. And now once it's done, you can easily dab it down with a damp beauty blender, or you can set it down with the powder, no issues. As you can see that the outer lid of the eye is left, and I've not like dragged my crease line till there. Over there you have to apply a dark shade of the eyeshadow of whatever you're using. You can use different shades too. I prefer going analogous over here, so I've used a bit of plum and pink shade, and I am like trying to do a V over here, it's already slanted. As you can see, the eyeshadows are going in slanted motion. Yes. And now it's time to blend it again, because you need to merge and make it more seamless. So I'm using a bit of pink from the Nicka palette, and I'm trying to blend it with the shades over there. Since that particular portion is done, I'm going to move forward with the central and the inner eye corners. Now using a baby pink shade to cover the rest of the lid from the Ucanbe's Pretty All Set palette, and I'm going to chunk it down with glitters, shimmers. You can use anything. You can use loose shimmers, loose glitters. I have here pressed glitter. Actually, it's pressed shimmer, so I'm going to use that, as you can see. And this is almost done. See how beautiful the half cut crease looks now, and this is the second eye too. It's all done. And now it's done. Let's do the lower lash line. Now I'm using a fluffy brush and taking the pink shade, and I'm smudging it down closely towards the lower lashes, and that's how it's done. And now it's time to clean the edges. As you can see, with the very same concealer brush, I'm cleaning the edges and wherever necessary. Yeah, and later I'm going to dab it down with a damp beauty blender. And now finishing the whole look with some liner. You can go on with mascara. I do not feel like applying mascara now, but this is the final look. I hope you all liked it. And yes, please not forget to subscribe, do share and support. And now I'll see you guys in the next video of mine. Till then, stay good, stay safe. Bye.